Hello, Sahil. Welcome to ExamEdge. I had just came to know that you have appeared for MSCT. Okay, so I just wanted to know that how was your overall experience about it?
Hello, sir. Thank you for welcoming me, and I'm feeling very proud that I'm a part of ExamEdge right now. And about my exam, it was quite fascinating too, and like what we say, easy, hard, moderate. But I've gave the exam. It was like uh, means game changer also, and not though what should I say about that? But it was amazing journey, right? Means still MSCT, MBA, and the my set was set 4, and basically, and in that set, what we have came that English, Quant, and Logical, but most of the syllabus was covered by CAT and ZAT. Means the question level was captured from the CAT and ZAT examination to 2019, 2020, and 21. Paper was set between that above. Means they have copy paste something time, and English was quite easy, no, not like that tough, and mm, logical was quite difficult, but it was can solved, or what we can say, uh, we can score in that. We have some amount of cons in logical also, means like topics like time and work, train, it was in logic, but right now we can solve it, but just we have to think logical, and we have to give answers all about that. Thank you.
Now let's think that you want to learn how to swim. Okay, and you are scared of waters. Okay, so let's think that you want to swim, and water is your MSCT or CAT. Okay, so when you will dive for the first time, you will feel that can I do it? Right now, since you have dived, since you were with us from past days, so now you have dived in that, right? After that, what you feel means, did you feel that you had done a right choice by coming to exam age?
Of course, yes. It was no doubt that I'm part of ExamEdge, and it's been great journey. But what I'm experienced, like what you have given example, that when you have dived in swimming pool, you have to do something, otherwise you will not survive. And it was my great experience to give MSCT, because it pushed my confidence, and the faculty was uh, very much like uh, supportive. Okay, means they boost your morale. They help in your questions, doubts. Anytime you can call them. Okay, no problem about that. And I'm right now very excited about giving the cat. And now my syllabus is also completed till yet. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Sahil, that was very kind about you. See, from our end, you will get 101% whatever you want. Okay, our support for you will be 24 hours. Okay, anytime you need whatever help, we are here to guide you. So now next aim for you is to ace in your cat. Okay, all the best and thank you.